Hello and welcome to another MCO update on Bitcoin. I want to briefly start here on the daily time frame, really only briefly, because with the small sell-off we witness right now, we have more and more evidence that at least a top of sorts is in place. The question is still whether we're dealing with the yellow wave 2 pullback, which could still go a little lower, or with if we're dealing with the B wave pullback, the larger correction. In both cases, we are tracking a bullish scenario, and the overall scenario on the Bitcoin chart still suggests higher prices. But please note that most of the rally, probably like 95%, could be wrong about that, but that probably 90 to 95% of the rally from the November 2022 low is complete, because I can identify already 5 waves to the upside. And even in the rally from the August 2024 low, we can identify 5 waves to the upside. It's just that we haven't reached ideal targets yet in the $130,000 region. Again, that can change, perspectives can change, but for now, I just need to highlight the overall risk on this chart, that we are likely very close to the end of a larger bull market. In addition to that there is still upside potential, because when we have a larger time frame chart that shows a lot of risk, we better focus on the smaller time frame, because then we have support areas on the smaller time frame that keep us safe, because when they break, we know the structure is likely not playing out directly to the upside. So our support area here on the daily time frame is $81,340 to $95,548. For quite some time I've been highlighting that a B wave pullback is probable. It could be unfolding now. It's still too early to really confirm that this is the one that's playing out. Could also just be a less deep correction in yellow wave 2. But it's best for risk management purposes to know what is the lower support, so that you can mentally and financially prepare for that, because this chart is bullish as long as we're holding above $81,340. Any break below is a clear warning that a more substantial top has formed. Let us now take a look at the shorter time frame for BTC. Bitcoin has formed so far a 3-wave move to the downside from the 22nd of May high. We are still in a broader range. You can see that here. We have structural support around $104,200, and obviously the upper boundary line is the 22nd of May high at $112,000. We have a 3-wave move down, so we need to be ready at any point here that a 3-wave move up in this wave B could happen. Microstructure allows for a little more downside, but I would get ready for that B wave bounce. I would just get ready for it. I mean, this range has been so choppy. I don't want anybody to be surprised if we now get another bounce. So I have identified here clearly the parameters for the range. So this is the resistance area that keeps the pressure downward. Whether we go down a little bit more directly to finish the A wave like this, A, B, C in wave A, then we get a B, then we get a C, or whether we have formed something like A, B, C, that's it, and get a bounce. This is the area that matters. The micro counts don't matter at all, okay? The parameters matter. So it's important in any, you don't make trading decisions based on wave labels. You make trading decisions based on support and resistance, yeah? Support, resistance, and targets. And the resistance, it seems like the local trend is down from the 22nd of May high, especially now that we've broken below the 25th of May low, yeah, and the 23rd of May low. So therefore, we need a resistance area that tells us, what's the set of parameters that keeps the pressure downward. And it is this. This also tells us that now the market could at any point go a little higher here. And then people will say, but this is so far away. Yeah, it is. But again, in this range here, we've seen some quite crazy fights between bears and bulls. So please be ready for that. Yeah. These Fibonacci support levels, I call them weak support levels. I'd say just Fibonacci extension levels. This is where the price could show some small reactions. Pay attention to these. $102,511 to $105,580. So yeah, I'll keep you updated about that. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.